Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about the cheapest way to start how to start earning money online on a budget. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. For more information about the cheapest way to start how to start earning money online on a budget, head over to my website, link in the description box. Learn the cheapest way to start earning money online on a budget. With a little help, you can learn the cheapest way to start how to start earning money online on a budget. Read on for more information on this topic. The number one thing you must do when you begin learning how to make money online is to buy a domain name and set up your own website. This will be your home base where you will be able to provide your products and services for customers. You need to get yourself a domain name and you must register it as soon as possible. Once you have a domain name, it's time to begin building your site. Do not worry about the costs. Many people make the mistake of thinking that they have to spend a lot of money to be successful. You will learn the cheapest way to start earning money online on a budget by just using what you have available. Start by focusing on making money with your blog. You can easily create a blog from scratch and using the features of Blogger and WordPress. This is a great way to learn how to make money online. The first step is to set up your own domain and get your blog online. As you create more blogs, you will be able to add more information and pictures. You can also add advertisements in order to make your blog more popular. When the popularity grows, you can set up your own website. Then you will be able to use your blog to advertise and sell your products. When you are learning how to start earning money online on a budget, you must take steps to keep your blogs updated. An important part of blogging is keeping it updated, so make sure that you add new content regularly. The great thing about creating blogs is that you are creating content so that other people will want to read. If you have a huge following, you can eventually become an expert at something and create a job or a product that you can offer to people for a fee. One of the cheapest ways to start earning money online on a budget is to start selling your services. When you decide that you want to get into the internet marketing business, you will need to learn how to write articles. The easiest way to learn how to do this is by signing up for article marketing training classes. Creating articles will not only increase your sales, but it will also give you credibility. Make sure that you create good quality articles that will help your customers. One of the cheapest ways to start earning money online on a budget is to start selling your products through your affiliate links. To learn how to make money online, you will need to learn how to write articles and create and publish them. When you learn how to start earning money online on a budget, you will find that you can actually earn a lot of money from the internet. Just remember that there are no shortcuts, you will need to be patient and work hard. How to start earning money online on a budget. How to start earning money online on a budget is a question that many people have. It's especially true for people who are starting out with internet marketing, which is an industry that's growing incredibly fast. But it's also true for anyone who's just starting out with their own business, and it's important that you know how to start earning money online on a budget. As with most new businesses, startup costs are your biggest expense, and new business owners often find themselves in a cash crunch because they don't have enough cash up front to get their business started. So to know how to start earning money online on a budget, here are some simple ideas to get you started. If you want to know the cheapest way to start earning money online on a budget, you need to invest in a few key pieces of equipment. You can get them almost anywhere, but they'll be your best friends when you're getting ready to launch your first product or service. A domain name is an important thing that you need if you want to get the proper equipment. Your domain name, or, more simply, the web address that your site shows up under, will direct people to your site, and you should invest in a good domain name if you're going to get it right. You'll also need a hosting account to be able to run your website with a WordPress or Blogspot account. The purpose of having a hosting account is to host your pages so that they're able to see the content and design of your site without much hassle. Hosting costs vary widely depending on your needs, but you'll need at least 3 types of hosting accounts. First, you'll need a shared hosting account if you want to set up several different websites that all have their own unique domain name. Shared hosting costs less than private hosting does, and is ideal for someone who's just starting out. If you'd like to start earning money online on a budget, you should stick with this type of hosting, since it's the least expensive. Then there's the affordable plan, which is usually what you'll want if you're setting up a small website. Private or shared hosting is still available, but you'll probably pay more because you'll have to share the cost with your customers. You'll need a website design program to be able to get started with how to start earning money online on a budget. You can find free programs online, but you'll need to pay for the program you use to design your website. Most of these programs will cost money, but if you want to learn how to start earning money online on a budget, you'll need one of these programs as well. It's the only way to learn how to do anything, including making money online, without spending any money up front. Lastly, you'll need the software to allow you to build your website from scratch if you want to know how to start earning money online on a budget. This software is really expensive. But the price of it is worth it when you consider the many hours you'll be saving building your website without spending any money to do it. If you want to know the cheapest way to start earning money online on a budget, you need to invest in the right equipment and software. Remember that cheap doesn't mean good, and you won't find any website that has a great design and a fully functioning site design with free hosting if you go with that option. How to start earning money online on a budget. Are you looking for the cheapest way to start how to start earning money online on a budget? If so, then read on. You should know that there are many different ways to make money online with advertising. You may choose to advertise in newspapers, on TV or online, and this is completely up to you. How to start earning money online on a budget can be accomplished by making the most of the advertising dollars that are available. I am going to list some of the methods that I recommend you use. Make sure that you get a cheap AdSense account. This will save you lots of money over time. As well, it will help you get your feet wet and familiarize yourself with the various ad providers. After getting your account, make sure that you test them out. It is easy to put in one ad and then get it taken down. Even though you were able to get a test account, make sure that you are trying out all of the different ad providers. You will need to sign up for a free AdSense account if you want to get started. There are many different free accounts that you can try out. If you have money to burn, there are also free AdSense accounts available. One thing that you need to keep in mind is that the more traffic you generate, the more that you will make. If you are generating traffic, then you will be able to earn a great deal of money online. The best thing to do is to test out all of the various providers. After getting an account, it is easy to begin advertising using AdSense. Once you have your account set up, then you can go to the main AdSense homepage and start advertising. Then you can start earning money online on a budget. After you start getting traffic and making money, then you can look at expanding your site. You can start adding articles, other areas of interest, or products. It is entirely up to you as to how you expand your site. In order to make this possible, you will need to get on a free AdSense account. Do not worry about any sort of expense for this. This is what you will want to test out. After getting on a free AdSense account, you should go out and test the ad network for yourself. This is a great way to get a feel for what you are doing. Once you have gotten used to using this system, then you can think about expanding your site. If you are going to learn how to start earning money online on a budget, then you will need to take advantage of all of the opportunities that are available. Be willing to experiment and open your eyes to other advertising methods. Thanks for watching my video about the cheapest way to start how to start earning money online on a budget. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.